Someone said, Thomas, you know what? Why don't you try making YouTube videos? As I kill me again.
Listen, comrades. But when we arrive there, I want one thing.
Hey, you're killing me again. So technically, guys, I'll be dropping YouTube videos Sundays. I'll be calling it Sunday Diaries. So guys, give me ideas what I can talk about, what I can speak about, what's on your mind lately. Mar baby mama drama.
Cut the show. I'm done. Take me off.
That one, it should come to your mind. So guys, share with me your ideas, what you want me to talk about. As much as you guys said, no, Thomas, man, why don't you make YouTube videos about YouTube videos? I'm not a person with YouTube videos. I'm a person more vlogger, like vlogging, and you know, just going to places where I can afford, or places where it's interesting, or places where I think people who want to actually go out can actually go to, and you know, just share the vibes, you know, plugging people, but get kill me again, the baby mama drama. Yay. Another one give side chicks.
What's going on?
No, this is what's going on. This is, I'm not a gossiper, you see, but I can see I'm working this side.
They say police kill someone.
Police kill someone, yeah.
Get a side chicks. Kill me again. Another one. Mavos.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Kill me again. Get Mavoso. Kill me again. Another one. Why don't your boyfriend post you on WhatsApp? Or why don't your boyfriend post you on your Facebook, on his or her Facebook? Hey, you guys gonna kill me.
Oh my God!
Marangas, I won't talk much. I won't say much because I won't talk much. They say I'm working. I get. Whoever's I'm posting, why don't they post you? Who come? Eh? Why don't they let you play games with the phone? Don't watch pictures. We just wanna know, why don't they let you play games with their phone?
Listen, comrades. But when we arrive there, I want one thing.
Lord Thomas will like a cool. They say I'll talk too much. Hey. They don't even want to borrow you their charger. But you're using the same phone. Kill me again. And then this other one here. Allowance. How much should a girl get for allowance? Hey. Yeah, I will die hard. He will die. Allowance, we will die. So, topics, guys. Give me topics. So every Sunday I'll be dropping an episode via the topics you guys give it to me. You guys gave to me. Again, you give it. Go as in like now. But so, or why don't they post you? It's still eating you, ne?
I'm scared, but I'll tie the liver.
Don't worry. Okay, I won't talk about it. I won't talk about why they don't post you. But hey. 2 years, okay, straight vele. After 2 years, I was high. And it's our fast. You get her sober, you get her drunk. She ran. Kill me again. After drinking you, she gets an Uber, she leaves. Hey, these ladies will kill you. You'll die again and again and again. Why? Yeah. After going out on a date, fine, you come back, you guys are still texting and still, you know, you're still flirting with her, thinking about maybe she's like she might be interested. Hey, then she tells you, "Ish, my guy, I'm not feeling your vibe." That time you went out, you went to eat a steak, you some 800 sa tomahawk, blew up champagne. Hey man, hey, gotta kill me again. Another one. I don't know. You know what? I like you. You were still here. You say, "Oh, she likes me." As a friend. But I like you as a friend. What can you say?
Cut the show. I'm done. Take me off. Take me off. Cut the show. I'm done.
Can you make that?
What I'm to? You are moving too fast. But in the time, there's a guy who's moving faster than you, and that guy, they don't tell him more is moving fast. Even if I'm going to take it. You are moving too fast.
Fine. Ninga but carry.
Yeah. Gents, ladies out there, hey, they're out for you. I don't know, you know what? Let's give it a month or two. Come on, let's while rain. I'm telling you. Let's why. But again, get Carlos. So Carlos, what Ima? Oh, Carlos. Carlos. Is it Carlos or Kellogg's? Jonaje, kill me again. Usarurure. Hey. The only person who wanted you is her friend.
Ubomi bam baba nedrama ndingekazalwa.
You see a group of girls walking there, you say, let me go try my luck. You go there straight to them. When you get to them, you talk to the wrong one, only to find out the one which wants you is the other one.
Yes.
And she won't speak because she saw when you want for that one, you give that one attention, and then she gives you the numbers. But that one, she gives you the numbers knowing very well that she doesn't like you. She gives you the numbers meanwhile knowing she doesn't like you. The one which likes you is the friend. Every guy has been in that situation. Yeah? So now we go, gents. Now we're going to change the strategy and approaching these ladies. When you get there, just try and get everyone's numbers if you can, because you don't know which one wants you. I'm out of the market. I'm out of the market. So he said, I'm just giving guys, gents, ninjas, strategies. When you get there, there are 3. Get everyone's numbers. Yeah, man. Get everyone's numbers. If you can, take them all 3 out. And then the other one will tell you, nah, I like you, but you also already took my friends out, so I don't know. What if they like you? I'm more sure. You come up with the truth. Your friends don't like me. The only person who likes me is you. Because I don't know, let's give it a week or so. Or you call her. Toot, toot, toot. Or you call her. I'll call you back. Olete over.
Yo, eput akunzima.
Yeah. Olete. Wait until. Hey, guys, every Sunday I'll be dropping Thomas Adham Diaries. Look, like, subscribe, please like the page. We just hit 1K on our Facebook page, so that's a huge bonus. And then we will also on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube. So guys, hit the like button, subscribe, make sure you are in this for the first episode, which will be dropping the following Sunday. So I'll be dropping episode each and every Sunday. So if amongst the topic I talked about, you want me to touch base on one topic, please comment with the topic, like, subscribe, make sure you share with your friends. Okay? Make sure you share with your friends, because yay, get it. Make sure you share with your friends. Guys, and anyway, we'll be helping each other as gents. We'll be helping each other as Machi. That one. Even the ladies can also give us tips. You know what? No, when you approach us these days, don't approach us like you coming as if you want. We know you want Mara. Come with get your raise up. You understand? It's about getting your raise up. So like the page, subscribe, make sure you are in this to win, guys. I'll be dropping Thomas Adham diary sessions every Sunday, so tune in, like, subscribe. Peace out, guys, till we meet again.